You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. This is actually one of the ways Chinese call China as a country as well. We'll be looking at how to say more Mandarin names. Zhongguo, 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 or Zhongguo, Zhongguo is how you say China in Chinese. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.